Joomla is a powerful content management system that enables users to build and manage websites with ease. Here's a beginner-friendly guide on how to use Joomla. Install Joomla. First, download Joomla from its official website. Most web hosting providers offer one-click Joomla installation through control panels like cPanel. Log into Admin Panel. Once installed, access your website's admin panel by visiting the following link. Log in with the credentials you created during installation. Create a new article. From the admin dashboard, go to Content Articles. Click New to create a new article. Add the title, content, and format the text using the editor. Save it when finished. Choose a template. To customize the look of your site, go to Extensions, Templates. Joomla comes with several default templates, but you can install new ones by clicking Install and selecting a template from Joomla's template directory. Add menus and modules. Go to Menus, Manage to create navigation menus. For added functionality, use extensions, modules to add modules like search bars, contact forms, or recent articles. Publish your site. Once your content is ready, go live by clicking System, Global Configuration, and setting your site status to Online.